Hey, it's Jay with General Formulations here with another GF Product Snapshot. Today we're talking about GF 253, our GraphiTex Opaque material. This is a 6mm smooth matte white woven polyester. It's a wall fabric with a repositionable wall adhesive. The beauty on this is actually in the coatings. So not only does it have a brilliant print face that's compatible with latex, solvent, eco-solvent, and UV, but it also has a special opaque layer on the back. That means when you're installing on wall graphics, it completely hides the image underneath, or the colors, so that your image stays true. For more information on this and our other products, head on over to generalformulations.com. Be sure to subscribe here on YouTube and follow us on Instagram as well. Thanks. See you next time.